tornado warning, guys.
For the following counties in Ohio: Ashtabula and Trumbull, and Crawford County, Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Ashtabula County, northeastern Trumbull County, southern Crawford County, Pennsylvania, until 1:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:18 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located 6 miles northwest of Kinsman, or 16 miles south of Jefferson, and moving east at 45 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Meadville, Kinsman, and Dover, Hartstown, Geneva, Conneaut Lake, and Cochranton. Urgent.